Well, here we are today. A great day it is too for football. We're in Old Trafford, a great setting. Martin Tyler along with Alan Smith with you to provide the call today. The match has so much potential and kick-off is just moments away. Manchester United against Borussia Dortmund.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Well, we've got a couple of teams here that their strengths are attacking, no doubt about it. So I'm sure they'll be going at each other very quickly.
And number 9, Anthony Martial.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. David De Gea starts in goal. Harry Maguire starts alongside Victor Lindelof at the back. Paul Pogba plays alongside Fred in midfield. Marcus Rashford is the main man up front. This is the Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummels plays alongside Dan Axel Zagadou at the back. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And they should get some goals, really, with this attacking lineup. 3 attackers. Real high point for Dortmund, of course, was reaching the Champions League final in 2013. So close to beating Bayern Munich. Ilkay Gundogan scored a penalty. It was at Wembley. They've been trying to increase their imprint around the world with playing a lot of these pre-season tournaments to get more of a feeling for foreign fans as well.
Yeah, I mean, domestically, they're always going to be in the shadow of Bayern. That's inevitable. But as you say, Martin, it's what they do themselves, and when they get onto the European stage, how well they perform on that.
Pogba. Fernandes. Well, he wants to run at them with the ball. It's good to see. Mata. Trying to get the cross in. Well blocked by the defender. Corner played in. Maguire. And it's Pogba. Martial! Oh, they opened the scoring here. It's a good start. It's a flying start, really.
Well, it looks simple, but this lad has got a great instinct of drifting into space, being in the right place at the right time.
Well, they want to see this again, this goal. In front here are Manchester United.
Goal for Manchester United. Number 9, Anthony Martial.
Can. Mario Götze. Ashraf Hakimi. Emre Can. Axel Witsel. Given the ball away now. Mario Götze. A little bit of lack of penetration in that move, and the tackle was an assured one. Mata. Pogba. Fred. Mata. Well, here is the birthday boy. 1 or 2 options now in forward areas for them. Good ball, aimed at Marcus Rashford. Cross has come to nothing. And here's the shot. Goal!
and there was a gap to the keeper's left, and he found that with real power.
The goal, wherever you look at it, it was very well taken. Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Check. Emre Can. Mario Götze. Torgan Hazard. Looking for Royce. Well, he used the inside of his head well, but not the outside, off target.
Yeah, just slightly mistimed that one.
Can. Axel Witsel. Well, they're having to defend, aren't they? So he's come deep, and he's got hold of the ball, and they can build off him. Torgan Hazard. Emre Can. Jadon Sancho. Can. Götze. Royce. Now Anthony Martial. Shaw. Fred. Pogba. Mario Götze. Axel Witsel. Sancho. Attacking now. Here's Shaw. The attacking team have got a problem here because the opposition are just sitting in and saying, well, you can break us down if you can. They think perhaps they can't break them down. Jadon Sancho getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. That's a missed opportunity on the counter-attack. Fred. Mata. Fernandez. Wan-Bissaka. Steered through. Cleared away by the defender.
The hosts have controlled possession here so far. No wonder they're winning. Sometimes you can have the ball and not be able to...
Excellent vision. Well, now it looks like a question of just how many. They really are on top now, stretching the lead, looking like the real winners of this match. Well, that could be the game for Manchester United. Should be the game.
Well, you don't often see them let this kind of lead slip.
Well, here's the goal again. Well, this is Manchester United at their sparkling best. Hazard. Mario Götze. Sancho. Hakimi. Can really get at the opposition here. And the defender has read the cross well, trying to get the ball in behind. No, it's offside.
Got to admire these linesmen. They don't get too many of these decisions wrong.
Axel Witsel. Hummels. Chan. Hakimi. Jadon Sancho. Well, they're getting the ball forward. They need to do that. Goetze. Torgan Hazard. It's gone for a corner. Not quite good enough so far, Alan.
That touch map pretty much sums up the game as a whole. The opposition have been on top. They're winning and winning fairly comfortably, and he hasn't been able to influence it.
In goes the corner. Choosing to punch the corner away, the goalkeeper this time. Defender did well to get to it, but hasn't really finished the job. He's bought the defenders a little bit of time, but not much of it, because the opposition are going to hit them hard again if they can. And it's going to be a throw here. Well, he's thrown possession away. Now Marcus Rashford. Saw the pass and dealt with it. And the board shows 3 added minutes.
Minimum of 3 minutes.
Sancho. Chan. Hakimi. Emre Can. Guided through. Now it's Ashraf Hakimi. Cross has gone straight to the defender, who's got time for an extra touch. And that's the referee signalling for half-time, blowing his whistle, and it's 3-0 here at half-time.
This is the martini time of day. Martini Rosso. Anytime, any place, anywhere. Because martini is the right one.
El sabor del encuentro.
Really was a very one-sided first half, and the team on the wrong end of that scoreline has got to show a bit of backbone now. Axel Witsel. Hazard. Axel Witsel. Torgan Hazard. Promising build-up until that challenge. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. He's made the interception. Hummels. Axel Witsel. Sancho. Emre Can. Went in quickly there. That'll be a throw. Axel Witsel. Mario Götze. Hazard. Substitution now for Borussia Dortmund. Sheer raw pace. Marcus Rashford guiding it through. It's offside. That's what the assistant has said.
Well, when he looks back on that, I think he might be a bit disappointed because the striker seemed to time his run really well.
Emre Can. It's a bit lazy in possession. He's seen the shot. Well, that should be the game. We could call it another insurance goal. Surely they can't throw it away here. Well, they've increased their lead here, and that could just wrap up the match.
Yeah, they're the much better team out here today, and that scoreline reflects that.
Let's have another peek at that goal. Two substitutions to come, one from each camp. So they restart again, a bit demoralised now, I think, in a game like this.
Coming off the pitch, number 27, Emre Can, to be replaced by number
Rafael
8,
Guerrero.
Dahoud.
Axel Witsel. Now Guerrero. Axel Witsel. Here is Dahoud. Hakimi. Now he wants to take them on. Shaw. He doesn't want to lose it here. He's got some strength, hasn't he, to shield the ball like that. Opportunity to cross it now. And there is going to be a substitution now for Borussia Dortmund. Now Anthony Martial, crafting the through pass. Now, well, that's his best save, probably, of the day. We haven't quite seen his A-game, have we, up to this point?
No, redeemed himself a little bit there. He's had butterfingers quite often, but safe hands there.
Well, here comes the corner. Good distance to the clearance then. Test of his control now. Hummels. Here is Dahoud. Using his physical power to protect the ball. Royce. Here's Hakimi. He's a danger, isn't he? He'll run in behind. He's run offside this time, though.
Yeah, he's a nightmare for defenders. You can see them, they're a little bit twitchy, trying to keep him quiet.
Attacking team not happy about that offside call, but we can see it again here.
Well, he is quick, this lad, and he can afford to give himself another yard. I think he's got the beating of these defenders in a race.
Nemanja Matic. Fernandes. United moving smoothly through midfield. Jadon Sancho. Now, can they move on from this wide area where there is room? Bruno Fernandes got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed. Here's back, steered through, got to it and made the save comfortably.
Yeah, he would have got some stick if that had found the net.
In goes the corner. Very good positioning by the defender. Matic. And he gets it returned to him. Now, can they make this count? Keeping the ball well in a dangerous area now. Tries the shot here. Rashford! Oh, that's a fantastic goal! Hat-trick. Goal number 3 here. And it's a perfect day for the player. Well, no wonder he's wheeling away in a super celebration. To get a hat-trick is a fantastic experience, and he's just done that.
Well, having scored 2, he was just so full of confidence, and he never looked like missing that chance.
Well, here we go again, and they can't wait to get the ball back from the kickoff and try and get another one. And on the clock, 8 more minutes. Just a case now of wanting the final whistle to come for Borussia Dortmund.
Yeah, you do get matches like that. Oh, blow the whistle, ref, let's just get out of this place.
Sancho. He's got players helping him here, but he might go alone. Hakimi. Comes to get it to feet. He's come rather deep to do that, the main striker. He's cut it out. Three minutes left of the 90-minute match. Going forward with real purpose now. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Well, this is how the game, many people believe, should be played. It's always been a passing game, but they pass with purpose too.
They have, and I love the way they're using the full width of the pitch here.
Striding forward, purposefully. Here's Martial. He could cross it now. Can't hang onto it, the keeper. That's it, final whistle.